Hey, what is up guys? My name is Talhan. You're watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the Oneplus pad, and right now as you guys can see we have 55% of battery and this is running the performance mode. So I'm going to play Bgmi in this tab to see how it actually works. And the best thing is we are actually going to test the with performance mode in 90 FPS. So as you guys can see we have the game engine turned on, and in case you swipe down like this, you will see we have the pro gamer mode on, which will give almost 90 fps most of the time. And we can also enable system status. Now this will help us to see the fps in real time. So I'm gonna actually crop this part here and put it somewhere here so you can see how well the fps meter works in this. Now enjoy the gameplay, and yes, just you will love it. Like I have played this game quite a lot, but in this tab not really much. So yeah, I'm not really good in that. But as you guys can see, we have smooth, we have 90 fps, we have anti-aliasing to 4x, and everything is set to the maximum. Let's see how it works. Let's get started. Let's see how it actually works. Let's go.
For the first time. Cover me. No mercy. Reloading. Cover me. Down. Reloading. Killing spree for the blue team. Reloading. Spree for the blue team. Down. Reloading. Cover me. Kill. Reloading. Killing spree for the blue team. Reloading. Cover me. Reloading. Team is heading to a perfect win.
Great. You're about to win.
Blue team is unstoppable.
So as you guys can see, I think I played really well, and that was the FPS you actually got during the game. And cutscenes you get, like 60 FPS something, but normally it stays from somewhere 85 to 90, which is a really good experience. Now let's just try one more, TDM and see how well that works. So I'm just gonna try the original one, that is the warehouse arena training actually. Let's see how will that work.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
Team match. Let's go.
Blue team has scored for the first time.
Great. You're about to win. Team victory.
So as you guys can see, we again won and I again got the MVP title. I think it's running really well. Like 90 FPS does give you an advantage in this tab, especially you get a lot of, wide field of view and it looks amazing while playing this game. And in case you're wondering about the battery percentage, the battery is actually at 34 degrees Celsius, which is really not that bad. And the percentage is at 51%. So as you guys can see, we have 51% still, which is incredibly good. So yeah, you can actually enjoy playing Bgmi in this tab without any problem. That's it. Hope you like it. Also in the next one. Peace out.